It's very soothing. Sorno-More is a very soothing product, and I feel very comfortable that it's safe. I've never had a horse scurf. I've never had a horse react. I've never had a skin reaction to it. So I know that I can put it on and use the laser over it, use the electric muscle stimulation over it, therapeutic ultrasound. I can use all the modalities that I use before and after using the Sorno-More liquid.
Sorno-More the gel is probably one of my most popular items I like to use in my barn. I find it very easy to work with, you know, applying it to the horses, rubbing it down, the guys putting it on. I find there's not a lot of waste with that. To me, I think it's a very good product that is economically used versus alcohol flies all over the place. The gel is very easy to put on, and you can concentrate it to certain areas that you want it at.
We use the Sorno-More two different ways. We use it when we are treating horses with the modality which is ultrasound, which is a therapeutic tool, and it helps to drive the ingredients in the Sorno-More a little further into the tissue. And then we also use it as a way to help cool the tissue down underneath a poultice. So it's used basically two different ways. One with the ultrasound, drive it a little further, and then also as a cooling material.
As a horse and human chiropractor, I find that the hydrating properties of the buttery smooth salve is phenomenal for the skin, for healing, bites, scratches, abrasions, helping to regrow hair, for blanket rubs, which is why I originally had gotten it for my horse. Using the salve actually helps to make that little bit of muscle work much more comfortable for the horses. It's just a great combination to help to keep your horse's skin healthy. You keep your horse's skin healthy and loose and him comfortable in it, he's going to be healthier and be able to perform better and longer.